What's going on, y'all? It's been rough. I've been down with BumbleBee 7 days now. 7 days. Look at this shit. Battery's in. Everything's working right except my dash. Dash is all jacked up. I got nothing. No readouts. No nothing. It won't read nothing. So we're going to head to the dealer and go drop old girl off. See if it's just a flash or what. Because, I mean, she still runs like a champ. It's BumbleBee. It's BumbleBee, mother. The battery went out. Replaced the battery. The guy at the auto store didn't exactly know what he was doing. Blew a fuse, got the fuse, had to wait on the fuse to Monday, dealer only part. Got the battery, got the fuse in, and I still got a problem with my dash. All right, so as I thought, we're gonna find out. I'm here with my new service rep at Edmore's Cadillac, Vanessa. She's thinking that the issue with the dash might be because it's not the OEM battery. We're gonna find out. She's already told me she's not gonna take me and run me over. Yay! That's what she tells me. But we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out. Meanwhile, we're gonna get set up here. I'm gonna head back to the office and we're gonna jump online, do some trading, and I'll get back with you. So I just got off the phone with the dealer. Battery is good. The new fuse I had to wait on is good. The problem now is the gateway module. Connects between the battery and the dash to send all the data. Apparently, they're suggesting, the dealer is, that when they plugged in the memory hold machine, when they went to change the battery, that coupled with snapping that fuse probably blew out the gateway module. So now, no car till Monday. No rolling loud for me this weekend because no car. $753 for the repair. And I got to wait till Monday. So I'm going to be out now, what's that, 10 days, 11 days, unable to make any money. It is what it is. Nothing I can do about it. Mid-August is coming for that Tesla. A lot of these problems are going to go away. I love my truck. The Cadillac is great, but I'm going to tell you what, these American auto dealerships that don't have parts in stock, second time this week, I've had to wait on parts. If it's an American-made company, getting American tax dollars supplementing these companies out, they should be putting American produced products in them. Not from Taiwan or Philippines or Indonesia or China or Japan or wherever the hell else. Anyway, what I will do this weekend is I'm going to get a lot of videos done. As you can see, I got a new wireless mic. I've got a new phone gimbal. It's giving me problems now, but I'm going to figure that out. We got products to review, those types of videos. I got a website to somewhat build. So when you go into the description below, you won't have to worry about jumbling through all these things. And I'll also hook up Eddie in there from Driving in Style, Uber Jeep AZ, Jeff, Kiera, Steven, and the rest of the gang will all be in there. So products that we use, you'll be able to see them if you're interested and do your thing. Anyway, listen, it sucks. It's slow out here. It sucks as it is. I'm not going to sweat this shit. I'm going to keep a positive attitude. And come Monday night, we'll get back to making rideshare videos. Side note, if you guys missed the In the Mornings with Eddie and Vinny, you missed the new reservation policy with Uber. Now, if you accept a reservation, I'll put a screenshot here. If you miss two reservations, you cancel those reservations within 1 hour of the pickup time, Uber's going to charge you $10 as a penalty. That's where we're at, bro and ladies. Anyway, y'all be safe out there, make some money, and we'll talk to you later.